It's your girl Cece. Welcome. Hey everybody, it's your girl Cece. Welcome back to another video. So you already know. It is Ipsy unboxing time, and I would say compared to last month's box, this box actually feels pretty heavy. So I think we might get a full face this time. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what's in here. So when I open the box, this is what it looks like. Now, Ipsy, y'all gonna have to do better. Like, why is this box falling apart? But anyway, that is what the inside looks like. So this is the Ipsy Boxycharm April 2025 box. And so this is spring into self-care, which I actually love that theme. So that is the little informational card that comes in there. Like, I am so excited. Like, when I'm looking into this, I am seeing so many products, you guys. Okay, so the first thing, I actually did pick this because they do give you like the choice to pick some of your products. So I did pick this one. This is the Dew of the Gods Fill-In Nitro, I think is how you say it, caffeine and retinol under eye pads. So I am a eye cream girly. Like, listen, I don't have like bags, but I'm definitely starting to get like little small wrinkles and stuff. So I always do eye cream as part of my skincare, but I have been seeing a lot of people doing like the eye pads. So I wanted to try these. So this says it tightens under eyes, which I definitely need, and it erases dark circles. I don't really have dark circles, but this is vegan and cruelty free, and the caffeine in it. The eye cream that I'm currently using has caffeine in it, and I've seen really good results with that one. So this comes with 10, I guess like treatments or whatever, and you're supposed to put these on for 15 minutes. So this is how it comes in the package. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this. I'm actually going to do a separate video where I do like a get ready with me type situation using all of these products. So that is the first product that I got. The next product, I'm so freaking excited for this because I have not got a new makeup palette in so long because I don't know what is going on with the makeup community, but everything is just soft glam, soft glam, soft glam. And like, it's the spring, you know, like Easter is this Sunday. Like, I want pinks, I want purples, I want vivids, you know, like I want to put some color on these eyes. So I'm really excited for this because look at her. She is gorgeous. Okay, so this is the Eloise Beauty, and this is their Goddess palette. So freaking cute. So it has a nice little mirror here. And then, oh my gosh, look at these shades, you guys. Just, oh my gosh. Okay, so I love this because, you know, you definitely have your neutrals, but look, you got some color. And these all look to be like shimmer shades too. So I'm going to swatch a few. Oh my gosh, these are so creamy and buttery. So this one is called Goddess Glow. Oh my gosh, that swatch? Yes, honey. So then this one that has like the white in there, this is called Divine Aura. Ooh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. And then this blue, I definitely got to swatch the blue. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now that's what you call shimmers. Those are so pretty. I cannot wait to play with those. So this palette, yes, I cannot wait to dig into this palette. So that came in there. And then the next thing I have is by Biro. I've never heard of this brand. Biro, New York, but it's the Peach Kombucha Tea Purifying Clay Mask. Okay, so we got our little self-care moment. So, ooh, look at the packaging. That is so pretty. I love those colors. So this is supposed to purify the skin. It's supposed to like get all of the dirt and the oil out your pores and stuff. And so it's a leave on mask. You leave on for 10-15 minutes and rinse it off. So I cannot wait to use that. The next thing that we have is something that I also picked. This is the Yensa lip oil, and this one is in the shade Pink Shine. I actually did try this already. I couldn't wait. So I tried this on. I wore this to church yesterday, and it lasted through our entire church service until I got back in the car. And then you know how sometimes like you have those like, it gets dry around your lips. This did not do that at all. I would say this smells so good. It has like a bubblegum scent. And I have a little bit of gloss on, but I'm just gonna try this on so y'all can see. And you can see the difference from the gloss on top to the lip oil on the bottom. Oh my gosh, yes. This I would definitely do as just like a throw on and go type lip oil. But you could also just like do a lip liner and put this on and make your own little like lip color. So yes, I love that. This, oh my gosh, I desperately need some new makeup brushes. So this is the Luna Magic Face Brush Set. It's like that. So you get 2 brushes. All right, so these are the 2 brushes, and I love that it included the little covers. So it just says Luna Magic. This is the Glow Up brush. So it looks like that. So this you could definitely use, what I'm going to use for like highlighter. You could probably use it for blush as well. And the ferrule is so pretty. Like, look at that ombre. That is so cute. And then this is called the Blend the Rose brush. And so this is kind of like a stippling brush that I would not suggest using for foundation, because in my experience, these type of brushes can make your foundation look a little bit streaky. So what I like to use these type of brushes for is like your powders. So that's what I'll be using it for. So that came in there. And last but not least, girl, I have not seen anything from Ofra Cosmetics in so long. Like, Ofra used to be such a like trending brand. I don't know what happened with Ofra Cosmetics, but they sent me this, so I'm excited to try it. It is the Ofra Cosmetics Midi Palette in the shade Blossom Blush. Okay, so it's a blush and highlighter palette. Okay. Yeah, I love that. Okay, so you get 2 blushes and you get a highlighter shade. So this is, you know, their packaging. You know, they're very simple with their packaging. It does not come with a mirror. And then I do love that these are depottable. So these are your 2 blushes, and look at that highlighter shade. So cute. So we have, let's start from here. So this is Paradise Pink. This is Pink Satin, and then Pillow Talk in the middle is the highlighter shade. And so these all are powders, and they look pretty matte. So let's try this first shade. Not doing a whole lot on the swatch. You can barely see it. Let me try to swatch it again. Okay, so you can see it a little bit better now. So that's the first blush shade. This is the second one. That one definitely swatches a lot better. So, I mean, this still is not like lot of color, so I definitely feel like you could probably mix these 2 and, you know, make it a little bit more pigmented. But this highlighter I'm so excited for. So that is the highlighter shade. Oh yes, girl, you could definitely see the highlighter. That is so pretty. Cannot wait to try these. So you guys, that is everything that came in my box. I am definitely about to go ahead and record a try on because I'm so excited to use these products. So definitely stay tuned for the part 2 try on to this video, and thank you guys so much for watching.